Are you looking for a one-stop solution for all your IT needs? Discover Techo Probe, your ultimate IT destination. Whether you're a job seeker, a developer, or an IT enthusiast, we offer a wealth of resources and services tailored just for you. Welcome to Techo Probe, where we shape the future of IT together. Ever wondered where you can find a treasure trove of IT resources? Look no further than Techo Probe. We offer a wide array of resources tailored to meet your needs. Struggling with your resume? Check out our writing guides. Want to upskill? Dive into our free tutorials on cloud computing, Oracle, CI/CD, project management, and Agile. Techo Probe's resources are designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need for success in the IT world. Managing IT projects can be challenging, but what if there was a way to streamline the process? Techo Probe's freelance project management services are the answer. Our bespoke solutions are designed to simplify your projects, reduce inefficiencies, and propel success. Whether it's implementing agile methodologies or coordinating complex tasks, we've got you covered. With Techo Probe's project management services, you can focus on what you do best while we handle the rest. Ready to embark on your journey towards IT excellence? Propel your IT skills to new heights. Visit www.techoprobe.online and immerse yourself in our comprehensive resources. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to the Techo Probe YouTube channel. Get the latest updates, tech news, and cutting-edge techniques right at your fingertips. Join us at Techo Probe and let's shape the future of IT together.